Hey everyone, Gil here of Grayman Prepping. On today's Your Prep for Today mini is I want to talk to you about one of the rules of three. Now some of you say, oh, I know all about the rules of three. Great, then you know the first rule of three is 3 minutes without air, the average person dies. Number two is 3 minutes without water, 3 minutes, sorry, 3 days without water, the average person dies. And the third rule of three is 3 weeks without food, the average person dies. And I'm going to deviate here. There is no fourth rule. Shelter is not one of the rules of three. And I'll cover that at a later date about why not and why they are exactly what they are. But we're going to talk about water today. And I'll also be talking about water every 30 of these. So like this is number 3. Number 33 will also be about water because that is the number one failure point of all preppers. All right, so water. Water you need to calculate a lot of stuff for it. And I'm going to try to make it simple for you here. Water weighs 8.8 pounds per gallon. Yes, it's heavy, it's bulky, and that's why so many people fail in prepping for water. One of the things you got to make sure if you're not just going out and buying, just getting those from Sam's Club or Home Depot or Walmart, wherever, one of those little packages of the half liter bottles of water and that go crinkle, 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 and you touch them. Those aren't made for long-term storage. So they're a short-term thing. You want something that will store longer. They make specific containers that are food grade containers that are stiff, solid, stackable, and you can store a lot more water in it. I mean, you store water a lot longer. So on water storage, you need to store a gallon a day per person for drinking. Now, some people say, oh, you don't need that much. Well, just listen up. In the summertime, you'll go through more than a gallon a day. You're out there working in the garden, out there working, sweating, moving stuff, physical labor. You're going to use more than a gallon a day. In the wintertime, people, they're not working out hard outside so much, usually, and they'll use a little bit less. So, but on average for the year, you need to have 365 gallons of water per person. All right. Does it hurt to have a little bit more? No, it doesn't hurt to have a little bit more. Now, this is drinking water. All right. Say it with me. Drinking water. This is not washing your hands water. This is not cooking food water. This is not flushing the toilet water. This is not taking a shower water. This is drinking water. Now you see what I just mentioned there. You're going to say, wait a minute, I need all this other water. Yeah, water is a very important part of life. It is bulky, it is heavy, and you need to plan around it. All right. So start simple. Get some of the like the 5-gallon jugs you can pick up, at a lot of places. You can order them online. Get a couple 5-gallon jugs, one for each member of the family to start for the first month. Fill them up. Put them wherever you're going to store them. Next month, get 5 more jugs, fill them up with water, and store them. Okay, and that way you can build up your water storage a little at a time. Now I know some people live in apartments and they can't store a lot of water, and so I'll have some of these other ones every 30 cycles here. I will talk about other ways about storing water, purifying water, and doing that. So for now, get yourself some water and store it.